We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive look at the Cuishle electric Shiatsu back massager with heat, a device designed to relieve neck, shoulder, and lower back pain through powerful 3D kneading massage. This massager is ergonomically designed for use at home, in the office, or even in the car, making it a versatile option for those seeking muscle relief. If you own this product, please consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The Cuishle massager comes packaged in a sturdy cardboard box with a plastic carrying handle, including a standard 110 volts to 240 volts power adapter and a separate car power adapter, highlighting its portability and convenience. The pillow itself is covered with a soft, high-quality leather material that surprised many users with its comfort and durability. This attention to material quality contributes to the overall premium feel of the product. One of the standout features is its ergonomic design with 4 massage nodes that mimic the deep kneading and penetration of a real massage therapist's hands. This allows the massager to target various body parts including the back, neck, shoulders, belly, calves, thighs, and feet. Users appreciate the ability to place the pillow exactly where relief is needed, unlike fixed massage chairs that require body adjustments. The adjustable strap adds to this flexibility by allowing the massager to be secured to chairs or car seats, enabling hands-free use and easy repositioning for maximum comfort. The device operates with a simple corded hand control that lets users switch the massage node's rotation direction between clockwise and counterclockwise, providing a customizable massage experience. The heating function is integrated and can be toggled on or off with a single button. Although there is no heat intensity adjustment, the warmth is generally described as soothing and perfectly balanced for comfort, comparable to a medium setting on a heating pad. However, some users note that the heat function does not feel significantly different from the massage-only setting. Performance-wise, the massager offers a deep rhythmic massage that effectively relieves muscle tension and pain. It is powerful enough to maintain its kneading action even under pressure, such as when placed under thighs while sitting. This robustness has impressed users concerned about motor strength and durability. While the long-term impact on the motor remains to be fully observed, current users report consistent performance over extended periods, with some having used the product for several years without issues. The massage nodes themselves are described as firm and effective, though a few users mention they can feel a bit pointy or less cushioned compared to other models. This firmness is generally appreciated for deep tissue relief, but may cause discomfort for those with sensitive skin or muscle soreness. The massager's noise level is low, which enhances the relaxation experience without being disruptive. Portability is a significant advantage of this massager. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to carry in a suitcase or store in the included box. This has made it a favorite among travelers and those who want a reliable massage solution on the go. The inclusion of a car adapter further supports its use during long drives or commutes. Users with chronic back pain have found the Cuishle massager to be a valuable tool for daily pain management, often using it twice a day for about 15 minutes. Many report that it has saved them money on professional massages and provided consistent relief. The device's ability to target specific areas with deep kneading and heat therapy contributes to its effectiveness. Some drawbacks noted include the lack of adjustable heat settings and the firmness of the massage nodes, which may not suit everyone's preferences. Additionally, while the motor is strong, the long-term durability under heavy use is still being monitored by some users. The massager does not replace a full massage chair, but offers a more affordable and portable alternative with targeted relief. Overall, the Cuishle electric Shiatsu back massager with heat is highly recommended for those seeking an effective, versatile, and portable massage solution. It combines quality materials, thoughtful design, and powerful performance at a price point that is significantly lower than many full-size massage chairs. Its ease of use, adjustable positioning, and dual power adapters make it suitable for a wide range of users and environments. The product's positive reception is reflected in its strong customer ratings and repeat use by individuals with chronic pain or muscle tension. It is an excellent gift idea for family and friends who could benefit from regular muscle relief. We encourage users who have tried this massager to share their experiences in the comments to help others make the best choice for their needs. Remember, the link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. Happy relaxation and relief with the Cuishle electric Shiatsu back massager.